Hey everyone, you can see that there is an message actually. It's just a Google Mail from Google Play supports for the issues. It's target API level. We have to upgrade the target API level. Google update their Android version 14 to 15, 15 to 16 accordingly. According that we have to update our API level. So Google just provided the message in 12 minutes ago, and we have to fix it within. If we check the issues, it's loading, and let me share with my others account. It's like app must target 15, which is API level 35 or higher. So we have to update our applications. So how can we do that? Before that, let me share other accounts message also here. If I click on mail, then you can see that there are three messages, which is billing library required to update. And here you can see that two messages, same message, it's two app for that. And here is the main two app. Actually we got the message because I have access a lots of account. I am managing and maintaining lots of companies app to solve their issues regularly, because Google frequently change their policy. If you want to uh, fix your issues, you can contact with me, no problem. And you can see that here is four apps issues showing here, like four app and so two or four app, four eight app. It's two and two. That means here is 8. And if I go to my another account, you can see that I'm just showing my it's a 19 mail came to me. It's yeah, 19 mail came to me for the app issue fixing. We have to fix 19 applications, and here is the four applications with billing library we have to upgrade. So let's upgrade for first app. Let me go with an console account. You can see that lots of console account I'm managing and maintaining. I'm going to just account, and the app has an issues. You can see that notification update target API level 31 August. By 31 August release update. That means we have to upgrade the API level. Okay. For that we have to update on our code. Let me show you how can you update that. First of all, you have to open your previous code, which you can build with Android or Kotlin or Java or Flutter or React Native. This project is built with React Native, but if you have a Flutter project or Kotlin project, also you can contact me to solve the issues. And I am just sharing you so that you can do it yourself, but sometimes you will got an error. Okay, if I go to Android folder and build.gradle file, then you can see that target SDK version is 35. It was like previously 34. Then I have to upgrade it and run the project. Sometimes it got error. I have solved the error, then I have run. That means build is success. And let me create a bundle file for that. It's taking few minutes to create a bundle file. In the meantime, I'm going to the process. How can you update the version? Okay, first of all, I came to the production access and clicking on release, clicking on edit release, and version code is already available. That means on here you can upload your application here, which is bundle file. Its bundle file is loading. I think bundle file. Let me upgrade the version code. This is the version code. We have to update the version code to like I going to 5th, and version number like 1.4.5, something like that. And let's create another bundle file. Okay, bundle file is created on like app, here output bundle, and this is the bundle file. I am just opening it on the finder. So this is this one, and just going back to this space, and I'm just drag and drop this one to here. Okay, that means we have updated our target API, then build the project, and let's updating on the console account. Let's see what is happening, and I am going to update you how is it solved or not. Current status is we will soon take action because app does not adhere to play program policy, fix violation as soon as possible. And you can see that notification, and after that we will see it's solved or not. Let's wait for it. Okay, the app is uploaded, and when the app is uploaded you can see that target SDK is 35, which we have to do that, and which our mission to upgrade the API level. That means the bundle file is correct, and let me save it, and I'm going to overview and send one changes for review. Okay, I have sent one changes for review. Then let's see the issues is solved or not. It will take few minutes, or sometimes it will take few hours to update. Current status is in review and notification like that. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, this is the good news. It's like 4:31 p.m. and I have see the notification in here. Your recent policy violation in your app has been addressed. We recently told that. That means our app issue is solved. Two messages actually come because I have published it on close testing and the production access, I think. And if I go to the policy status, you can see that there are no policy violation. So this way you can solve these issues. If you want to solve your issues, you can contact with me. If you need 12 testers or anything regarding Android applications and Play Store, you can contact me. I will help you to solve the issues, or I will assist you with any suggestions. Thank you.